Have you just lost the snap streaks with your friends? Make sure to watch this video till the end so you can easily recover those. So, the very first thing you want to do is check for the hourglass. If you see hourglass next to the friend's name, your streak's alive but on life support. Send a snap immediately and remind your friends to reply. If hourglass has gone, you're gonna get the option of restore right next to their username. You'll need to click on that. You'll get up to 5 chances to restore the streaks. You can use that and restore the streaks easily. Likewise, next thing you want to do is contact Snapchat support team. For that, click on your avatar icon, go to settings, scroll down. Now click on this option, I lost my snap streak. Then click on the option, I'm having trouble restoring my streak. Now select your device, whether you are using Snapchat on iOS or Android. Now go through this article. Then you can contact Snapchat support team and request to restore your snap streak. So this way you can restore your lost snap streak. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.